Hi everyone. Still fat, but now symbolic. We think our fat boy deserves a new name after the Thunderbike makeover. It's still fat, but different. Now it's a liter, and on GT wheels, bearing the name GT Liter. It was the wheels that made the fat boy famous, because they lived up to their name. The full disc rims looked massive enough, they turned the Harley into a fat boy. The fat boy was a child of its time, when rear view meant something else, at least not the neat juxtaposition of lines. The company has already understood this. The new fat boy no longer rolls on solid disc wheels. It now has so-called short spokes, which bear the beautiful name Lakester. That's a bit more airy. We wanted more, and that is less in the true sense of the word. Our new GT wheels provide a view, and a beautifully framed view at that. As we supply them in different sizes, we also took the opportunity to play with the formats. 18-inch at the rear and 21-inch at the front. The combination of GT wheels has never been seen before, especially as it was the typical feature of the fat boy to roll on the same diameter at the front and rear. Because it is the first of its kind, it has also earned its new name, GT Liter. It could also be due to the balanced rear design. We have adapted the standard swing arm to the new 260 tires in every detail. The pulley brake provides a view of the GT wheel on the right-hand side. The design of the steel fender has also been adapted to the 260mm and, would you believe it, the seat shell of the saddle also has its own design. And then, of course, we have an air ride. Our Vegas brake discs and the GP bow spoiler take the former Terminator bike even further into the future. And the melodious shorty-cut silencers from Jekill and Hyde guarantee stress-free riding in the present, because it's street legal. So please relax on the forward-mounted footrests, also from our company. The paint finish from Cruise Design once again sets the final accent. It is unobtrusive in its gray-green basic tone and therefore opens the eye to the well-proportioned lines. Once caught, we don't want to let go of the interplay of interlocking colors. The play of colors also softens the appearance of the once so massive fat boy. Thanks for watching.